Now, Linux systems contain many applications to read and edit text files like cat or vi. Now, I prefer to use vi, and I'd really like you to try this tool as well, as it has a lot of interesting features. So if you type vi here and hit enter, you'll get to the main screen or the main introduction of vi. Now, it's going to give you the option to enter the help screen and find your way in the documentation of vi. We're going to go ahead and quit vi for now, and instead we're going to type vi textfile1.txt, and this will create textfile1 to text, and then click enter. Now you see in the bottom of the screen that it's a new file. It's newly created and it's empty. Now, we mentioned earlier that vi starts in command mode, so to start inserting characters into this new text file, you're going to have to type the I key and press enter. And now you're in insert mode. So now I can start typing anything in this file. Let's say, I love vi. Now, if I'm done inserting or typing in that file, I can click escape to exit the insert mode. Right? So now we're back to the command mode. Now I'm in the middle here. You can see my cursor moving. Now, I'm using the arrow keys on my keyboard. If I type here GG, like G like George, it'll take me back to the first line of the file. Now, here's what I mean by commands. Every physical key on your keyboard has some type of command. It does something in vi. So GG takes me up to the first line. If I press the number 5 and then Shift and G, it would take me to the line number 5. So let's try it. 5 Shift G, and it takes me to line number 5. Now, Shift G will take me directly to the last line. So GG up, Shift G, last line in the file. Now, there are many shortcuts. There are a lot of shortcuts to move you inside one of the lines or navigate in the whole file. So vi has a lot of commands. Now you should go online and look for a document for vi to learn all of these commands. There are plenty of them. All right? Now, when we finish editing our text, we're going to want to quit this file and go back to our Linux shell and save what we have done. Now, the right way to do it, or really the easiest way to do it, is typing colon and W for write changes and quit. If I only hit W, this will only save the changes, and if I add Q for quit, it will save the changes and then quit the file. So let's try it. Enter now, and I'm back to Linux shell. So ls, you can see the text file here. So vi text. All right, I'm now in the insert mode. I've done some changes here. I need to save it. I have to type W, escape in insert mode, W and Q. Now, if I do not type W, this will give you an error for quitting. Now, if you wish to intentionally quit without saving, press Q and the exclamation mark, and then enter. Now, let's try that file again. So you see your changes are not being saved. Also, there are comments in the vi to undo changes. So insert, we have changes, and if I type exit insert mode, you want changes back. Notice I'm pressing U for undo and back. I'm at the bottom. Already the oldest change since the last save, so U goes for undo, and it'll take you back one step. Each time you press U, you're going to go back one change, or we'll undo one change for you. Again, now we'll quit the file, exclamation mark, without saving anything, and there you go.